A doctor's revelation of Shona Ferguson's last words. According to the unnamed doctor, he has Shona's last words for his family. Please listen to this full piece of news. An unnamed doctor sent a letter to the breaking news newsroom and revealed to us Shona's last words before he going to God. The doctor said he was in a coma most of the time in the hospital and struggled with complications from the pandemic virus. During the treatment period, he had to be alone in the hospital room and without relatives nearby, almost alone, struggling to find his life again. Perhaps feeling exhausted on the way to find hope to survive, he regained consciousness for a while and asked this doctor to send his words to his family. Connie, I love you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me all my life. Alicia, I love you. Be strong. I will always be with you.